Okay, so here we have our NearPod assignment, and we have just started the live session. So this computer right here is the teacher view, and then we have the student view over here. So we are now entering the code to start. And so she is going to create a name for her session. And so now that she has joined, we're going to start the presentation. So we did edTPA. Since all of us are here are education majors, we thought it would be beneficial to make a NearPod just about edTPA, since it's something you're going to have to learn in 317, 318, and 319. So I'm going to go ahead and cast the PowerPoint, which is talking about the basics of edTPA, but our central focus for this assignment was on task number 1. So this was just, what is edTPA? Why do we use edTPA? And then we talk about the central focus, so we're going to be focusing on, like I said, task 1, which is basically planning. And we narrowed down the planning to the context for learning assignment that we completed in 317. And so in order to help them understand that, we gave them a few activities. But we included the document so they knew what it looked like. And so they get to see it on theirs as well as you see it on mine. And so we gave them some information because we wanted them to have the central idea. We didn't want all of them having the different schools that they were going to. So we just said that they are placed at Thomas Jefferson Elementary School. They have an ELL student in their classroom which requires an aide, and the school takes the Virginia SOL. And so now she has an activity, and she's going to be given the information that was provided on the slide. She's going to complete question 1 and 2 by drawing an X in the appropriate description. So she said it was an elementary school, and she said it was in a rural location. So then she's going to hit submit, and I can see what Nicole drew. Maybe I can. There it is. So this, I can see what she just drew on my computer, and so it's saying that it's been submitted on hers. And I could share it if I wanted to, but we're just going to go on from that. I need to hit close, and then I'm going to go on. And so now she's going to take a quiz. And so she's been given the information about the ELL student that requires an aide. Where would you document that on the context for learning? And then she's been given the information the school you're observing has to take the VA SOL. Where would you document that information? So she's going to submit her final answers. And on mine, I can see that she got both of those right. And then to wrap up our slide, we're just going to give them or wrap up our presentation, we're just going to give them an ending slide. Now that we had had a practice round and they have dabbled in the context for learning, they're going to complete their own context for learning based on their own classroom and have it turned in on October the 8th. They need to make sure they're checking with their host teacher so that the information is correct and they're not just putting information that they think is right. And if they had any questions, I wanted them to email the teacher. So that is our presentation on our NearPod assignment. So thanks, guys.